Okay, so for my next FMS exercise, I'm going to be conducting the inline lunge. So this is going to be a little bit challenging to get myself into position, but I'm going to do my best to show on the video how I need to be set up for this exercise. So I'm using the dowel to give myself some balance here. But what I need to do is I'm going to be starting with my left foot back. So I'm going to be lunging with my left leg. And what I want to do is I want to perfectly align my feet as if I was on a tightrope. That's what I'm trying to do here with my feet, is make sure they are lined up and perfectly straight with each other. So once I have completed this setup, I am going to take my dowel and I'm going to place it behind my back, and I'm going to be holding it with my right hand like this. I'm going to be taking my left hand and reaching around, grabbing the back of it like this. So you can't really see with my feet already in place like this, but I want to make sure I maintain 5 points of contact. I want to have my head touching the dowel, going down the thoracic spine, all the way down my spine, all the way down to the sacrum, just like this. So the goal for this is to keep my back straight and in line with the dowel, and make sure my feet are still in place and have a good distance so that I can perform this lunge. Okay, so once I have myself in this starting position, I'm going to go ahead and execute the lunge. So here I go. Excuse me. I'm going to begin this first rep of this lunge. So here we go. I'm going to be bringing the knee down and back up. So I need to make a little bit of an adjustment from the first rep. Just kind of get myself stabilized here. Okay. Get the dowel back to where that needs to be. Okay. Oop. All right. And now I'm going to perform a second lunge with the left leg. All right. I'm going to be doing that right now. Okay. About a 3-second hold and back up. All right. That was my left leg. I'm going to switch over now to my right leg. I'm going to have my right leg back. Going to make sure my feet are aligned, and now I'm going to take the dowel, place it in my left hand, just switch hands so that way I still have that stability, just like this. Okay, and got myself aligned here, 5 points of contact on the dowel, and now I'm going to drop down and perform a lunge with my right leg, just like so. Okay. Back up. That was my first rep. I need to increase, need to have a little more distance there. Okay, that feels better. So now I will do rep 2. I'm going to bring myself down into a lunge. So I'm going to come down just like this, and then bring myself back up. Okay, so overall, I would score myself a 2 on each of those movements there. I do believe I was able to completely bring my knee down and bring myself back up to execute the lunge properly. So I would give 2s to myself as a raw score for my right and left leg. So there you have it, the inline lunge.